to me very carefully. Sharda ma'am, the screen is visible. Please let me know.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So please listen, dear students. It is defined as a state of well-being in which every individual realizes his or her own potential, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to her or his community. Now, please listen to me. We are celebrating Mental Well-being Week. Okay, dear students. So, this is CBSE Circular Manodarpan. So, what is the meaning of Manodarpan? Means we have to introspect ourselves, right? What are our potentials, right? How we can do productively for the society, for the community. So as you can see, it is defined as a state of well-being in which every individual realizes his or her own potential and can cope up with the normal stresses of life. So what are the normal stresses of life? Can you write down in the chat window? Let me know. Yes. Okay. Yeah, anger is one of the most it is. Yes. Okay, please write down in the chat window, everyone. Yes, normal stresses of life and can work productively and fruitfully and is able to make a contribution to his or her own community. Greediness, all right, very good. Okay, let me see. Very good, Mannat Sneh. Impatience, wow. Okay, anger, very good. Everyone please write down. Let me see. Yes, very good. Anger is poverty. Okay, very nice. Arpan said I don't have any. Dear, we are discussing about the stresses of life. Impatience, anger, poverty. Okay, very good, very good. Greediness. All right. So dear students, for that I'm going to narrate a story. Okay. So please listen to me very carefully. Okay, dear students. And I will ask you the moral of the story. Right. So there was a little boy who had a bad temper. His father gave him a bag of nails. Nails means the iron nails, right? And told him that every time he lost his temper, he must hammer a nail into the fence, right? Fence means on the wall, right? So the first day, the boy had driven 37 nails into the fence. It means the boy has short tempered, right? Over the next few weeks, as he learned to control his anger, the number of nails hammered daily gradually, slowly dwindled down. So he discovered it was easier to hold his temper than to drive those nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all. He told his father about it, and the father suggested that the boy now pulls out one nail for each day, one iron nail for each day, that he was able to hold his temper, his anger, right? The days passed, and the young boy was finally able to tell his father that all the nails were gone, right? The father took his son by the hand and led him to the fence. He said, "You have done well, my son, but look at the holes in the fence. The fence will never be the same, right? There were number of holes because of your anger. You put one nail every day, you put number of nails, iron nails every day in the fence, and now there are number of holes. So when you say the things in anger, they leave a scar. they leave a mark just like this one, right? So in this way, the father told him how to control the anger and what is the effect of anger. If we say some words in anger to someone, so how it affects the mental well-being of that person, right, dear students? So please write down in the chat window, what is the moral of this story? What we should not do? Yes, very good. Write down in the chat window. I need answers from everyone. So I hope you all have enjoyed this story. So this story is about a little boy, right? Okay, no anger. We should not be angry. All right, everyone, please write down. Yes, everyone. My lovely kids, please write down the moral of the story in the chat window. Yes. Okay, not to be angry. Yes. And what happens if we are angry to someone? Yes, be patient. All right, very good. What happens if we show our angerness to anyone? So what happens? So if you have learned something from the story, please write down in the chat window. We should not be angry. All right, very good. Stay peaceful. Yes, Mannat, very good. And what happens if we show the angerness to someone and we say some words in angry? It hurts that person. Very good, very good. Yes, excellent. Goal number 16, Norm, I'm so happy. Yes, you relate with the SDG goal number 16, peace, justice and strong institution. Yes, it, it keeps a mark on that person's mental well-being, right? It leaves a scar, right? So you can see the moral here also. You now this is one of the example, one of the another example. So please listen to me. You can put a knife in a man and draw it out, right? Suppose it won't matter how many times you say I'm sorry, I'm sorry. The wound is still there, right? Make sure you control your temper the next time you are tempted to say something you will regret later. Right, dear students? So this is very important example. He said, you can put a knife in someone's stomach and draw it out. It won't matter how many times you will say, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. The wound will be there, right? The scar will be there. And make sure you control your temper the next time you are tempted to say something you will regret later. Right, dear students? So in this way, we can lead a happy life, peaceful life, right? So thank you so much. You are really patient listeners and you gave me wonderful responses. Now we are going to start our lesson. Okay.